This is the AI Outbound Appointment Setter AI agent. So what an AI Outbound Appointment Setter is, an AI agent that calls your leads immediately the moment they opt in. So for example, they fill out a form on your website or submit their interest on one of the Facebook ads that you're running. Or this could even be used for database reactivation. So for example, if you have a long list of leads that you haven't talked to in the past 6 months or so, you can use this to reach out to all the old leads you have, re-engage with them and see if they're still interested. And then if they're interested, then book a call with them or transfer them to yourself or to your sales team if they're interested and qualified. So this is an outbound appointment setter that I have built for a solar client. So here I have the entire prompt of the AI agent. So the role, the services offered, and also here's the lead information, which is going to customize the call. So it's not going to be a generic one-size-fits-all template. So it's going to be customized based on all the lead information. So their name, their phone number, the address, the area, and their service interest when they inquired. So I have defined what to collect and the task as well. So the information that it needs to extract and how to go about doing its tasks. So the questions to ask and how to book the appointment here. So confirming the consultation, and then all the rules and common objections and FAQs. So I have really refined this AI appointment setter to make it perfect, as good as I can. So yeah, this is just a quick overview of the AI agent, and you want to use this because it's a matter of speed to leads. So what that means is the faster you reach out to your leads, the faster you contact them, the more likely you are to convert them. And at the end of the day, sales is a numbers game. So you have to reach out to as many leads as possible, as quickly as possible. And humans, they have limits. So humans, they cannot be available 24/7. So humans, they have to take a break. They need to have dinner. They need to sleep. They need to be with their friends and families. There are simply human limitations that we cannot get over. So that's why we have AI appointment setters. And the statistics, they don't lie either. So responding to leads that express interest within 1 minute boosts conversion rates by up to 391%. So that's a 4 or 5 times X conversion rates. And conversion rates, they will drop exponentially as you delay the follow-ups. And the average response time for leads is 47 hours. So it takes businesses on average 2 days just to reach out to a lead. So by reaching out to each and every one of your leads within 1 minute of opt-in, you are killing the competition. And in today's age, buyers, they expect a response as soon as possible. And if you take advantage of this, if you make use of it, then you will succeed. You will convert more clients. You will capture more leads and be more likely to convert them. So the way it works is I have this appointment setter here, and then I also do have a list of leads. So this would be like old leads that I haven't talked to in a while. So what I would do is I would just take the CSV, so in this format here, and then upload it here, and then I will activate this. So the AI agent is going to call all the leads here. So it can call leads like database reactivation like this, or it could just do it to individuals that interact with your form on your website or your Facebook ad or something like that. So I will do a quick demo call for you. So I just got a call, so I will answer it. Hello?
Hi John, this is Kaylee from Nebula Mortgage. How are you today?
I'm doing good, thanks. How are you?
I'm doing well, thanks for asking, John. I appreciate you taking the time to chat. I wanted to quickly introduce myself. I'm with Nebula Mortgage, a local family-owned brokerage here in Sydney. We help people find great mortgage options with access to wholesale rates that can often save hundreds each month compared to big banks. Is now a good time to briefly discuss your mortgage needs?
Yeah, sure, go ahead.
Great, thanks, John. To make sure I understand your situation and can connect you with the right expert, can I ask if you're currently looking to buy a new home, or are you interested in refinancing an existing mortgage?
I want to buy a new home, thanks. And I have a budget of about $1 million, and I am pre-approved.
Thanks for sharing that, John. It's great to hear you have a pre-approval in place and the
Yep, so that was just a quick demo that I just wanted to show you. So that's what you can expect to see with this AI outbound appointment setter.